Alright, so this video is just going to show you how to use these poly strap buckles with the poly strap tensioner. You're always going to want to keep these open hooks up. We'll bring the strap around and make a little loop here. Take your loop and go up through the center hole and over the open end. It will look basically like that when you're done. Now, always try to keep this buckle plenty far from the side that you're ratcheting towards, because if not, you'll run out of strap when you're ratcheting. Bring your other end of the strap up, go up through the center, over the hook. Just pull that down a little bit, like something like that. Then we squeeze our handle to open the bottom, slide the bottom underneath the cutter, right here underneath and underneath the holder. Slide it back so you got plenty of room, release the lock, then put the top one through the cutter and into the ratchet. That's it. Cut it. It's a wrap.